Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can cut videos in Handbrake. So basically, of course, first things first, you want to import your video onto the application. And from here, the important thing that you can do is to just navigate through the range option. Inside, you want to click on seconds, and basically what we're after is the part where, or basically what we want to get. So in my case, I'm going to be getting my videos starting from the 10th second. So it's going to be something like 0010 since I want to start with the 10th second. And for the second one, I want to finish the video at the 30-second mark. So let's just go ahead and set it up this way. So as you can see now, it's set to 20 seconds because from 10 to 30, it's just actually 20 seconds. And basically from there, it will get that specific part of my video. So right now it's at 1 minute 44 seconds. And if I click the start encode, click on yes, it will then simply get that specific seconds on my video, basically from 10 to 20. So it's going to be this video right here. And so guys, basically from there, you are good to go. Unfortunately, I don't have the right format in order to extract this video. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.